Good evening, parents and students, Kennedy High School. Welcome to Open House 2021. This is Mr. Jutimez. I am here to share Room 702's introduction to their work for the year. Our daily schedule, I work with our students for 4 subjects: daily living skills, English, math, and science. Our students have services both in APE and their regular ed service. This year it's culinary arts, and a couple students take art and choir as well as photo. Our classroom expectations are as follows. We do have 3 rules or expectations. Sorry, expectations are listening while others are speaking, being ready to work, being ready to learn, and being on time to class. So with distance learning, 3 simple rules, and my students are doing a wonderful job following those rules. Class Dojo is a resource that I use to help message parents, provide pictures of students that are doing well, and they have a little point system that helps with behaviors. And obviously, I use that to have students redeem those points for items such as wearing a hat for a certain day. We do go noodle dancing on Fridays, have students pick the songs, to all the way down for 100 points mystery mail, where I deliver an item or two for students to have. Our curriculum, we use Edmark reading programs. It's called Unique Learning. We also have Touch Math. The Edmark reading program is something that obviously we do at school, but Unique Learning is something that we have here to provide for the students. So that Unique Learning can help with their daily living skills, their reading, their math, their science, all that stuff. So their IEP goals is done at least twice a week with their assigned instructional aid, and that instructional aid works with them to provide them those opportunities. I am thankful for one teacher assistant this year. She helps us out in science during 5th period classes. Resources again this year, we also use ReadWorks, Epic Reading. We do mindfulness in the morning as well. We do Kahoot on Friday. So these are some resources that are here as well to use. Here are some pictures of our students throughout the year that obviously have been doing a great job with the expectations of class. And these are some mystery mail items. We obviously celebrate each other during this time. We did do a cookie decorating celebration during the holidays. Our parents and Mrs. Sackett thought of a great idea that these kids should be decorating cookies. So we bought some good decorating packs of sugar cookies, and the students celebrated with their parents over distance learning, making these cookies. And you can see right there a lot of more cookie items from another students, as well as some mystery mail from the students. We got to celebrate a birthday, and then more cookie decorating for some students, all throughout this year on distance learning. So in the end, obviously I want to thank my staff for one. I have 6 instructional aides that work very hard for our staff. Our administration here is fantastic. And then obviously the unsung heroes, the students and their parents. They've been phenomenal during this time, during distance learning. And I just want to just thank them for everything they do. Hope everyone enjoys the evening and enjoys a little bit of what 702 does. If there's any questions or concerns, please email me to timus_j@auhd.us. And I look forward to hear from you. Thank you for your time. Have a good night.